Hello everyone, my name is Karan Singh and you are watching Plastotech, the world of plastics. So guys, if you are interested in knowing all the information related to industrial technologies, you want to learn something about plastics and you want to learn about how the plastic industries and what are the things in plastic industries. Like you want to know about moldings like injection molding, blow molding, extrusion molding. To know all these information, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. To subscribe my channel, press the red subscribe button. Along with that, don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notification. So guys, let's start with our today's topic. So guys, here's the video.
So guys, today we are going to learn about the machine startup and machine shutdown process, the entire process of injection molding machine. I will teach you how to start the machine and how to shut down machine. What are the precautionary steps that you have to take? All these things we are going to learn directly practically from this machine, the Hythian machine. You will learn each and every basic step. It's quite easy. You have to be complete in patience while handling the machine. So I will teach you a simple basic steps directly on the machine. So let's begin with the machine. This is the switch on and off button. Most probably the switch on off button of your machine will be found at the sides of the machines. You can clearly see that trip, off and on. These are the simple so what the function you have to perform, you have to shift that switch over there. Now I have shifted it to the on because I am just starting the machine. Now PLC will start automatically. Some machines, in some machine we have to press the button that is switch on button to start the PLC. So different machines have different functions. It's Hythian machine. Now Hythian is one of the leading machineries in India. Then you can learn in detail about all these things. So starting with the process. So what are the basic things that you have to start while shutting on the machine? Now you can look for the heating options. These are the heating options. This is to turn on the heater and this is to turn off the heater. Now you can see that some rays are being mentioned here. That means that is that now I have started the heating. Now this is motor on, where the rotation has been described. It means motor on. This is hand mode function of the machine. I have just put it in hand mode. Now guys, remember when we will start the motor, we will start the motor when the temperatures are being properly feeded up. So first we have to start the temperature. Now look what the set value and what the present value. These are the set values, and the above in the yellowish mark, it's in the yellowish, or you may see it as a greenish mark, it's a present value of the temperature. Now we have to leave the machine till temperature reaches its set value, as it will take some time. I am starting with another step. Here becomes the hopper. Here we store material. This is the hopper section. Here we store the material. If material have moisture content, then we can pre-dry the material over here by this is the hopper dryer. So we can also pre-dry the material here. Temperature needs exactly 20-30 to 45 minutes max to max to reach its mean temperature. Now we have to check that any material should not have been sticking over nozzle, heater or thermocouple. If it have been sticking due to improper machine operating or because of fault of supervisor, now clear these obstructions. If you have any obstruction, then just clear it off. This we have to do before shutting it off, but some in the supervisors or some operators and all, they don't look for it. So here we have to look properly. Now my temperature reaches and I am turning on the motor. I have turned it on. Heating will take more time, so I will tell you the process orally to make you understand what will we do next. The motor should be turned off 5 to 10 minutes just before reaching the temperature. Now this is the button for manual plastification. You can see that the rotation has been mentioned, so it is for being the manual plastification. This is the key for manual purging. Manual injection screw will move forward after pressing this particular button till it looks to be in running condition. Now you can see that it's now proper in running condition. Remember to close the safety lid. This is the safety lid of the machine. This you have to close while purging out the material. Otherwise the material can be infected in your eyes. Look, we already have mold on our machine. Now, but if you have to change your mold, you can change at the time when we start the heating, because heating took 30 to 45 minutes, and at that particular time you can also change your mold. Now for shutdown procedure, it's quite easy. We have to just close the material from hopper. By pressing this, we can easily close out the material. The material in the hopper will remain at the hopper. Now we will purge out the material inside the barrel. How much material will be there, we are going to purge it out, and after that we will now shut down heater and motor. It's time to shut down the heaters and motors. We will shut down both heaters and motors. Quite easy process, guys. Hope you get the idea of how we have to start the shutdown, startup and shutdown process. So guys, if you are interested to know more and more about injection molding, there is also another Hindi channel of our same. All the things you will get in Hindi language. Now we will switch it off. Thank you and have a great day, guys.